1. Definition and purpose of the journal accounting. Definition of journal. The journal is a financial record that records each financial transaction in chronological order in accounting books. Every transaction that occurs must be recorded in the journal to maintain data, accuracy and balance among accounts with a company. Purpose of journal entries. Journal entries aim to provide a complete documentation of each financial transaction, facilitate tracking, and serve as the basis for preparing accurate financial statement. The journal allows companies to monitor financial development regularly and prevent error in transaction recording. 2. Types of accounting journal. General journal. This journal records all transactions that do not fall under a specific category, covering various transactions such as adjustment, transfer, and more complex entries. Special journal. These are used to record high volume or frequent transactions in business. Special journal are generally divided several categories including purchase journal, record credit purchase of goods of service. Sales journal, used to record credit as sales of goods or service. Cash receipt journal, record all cash receipt, including from case, seller, or other source. Cash payment journal, records all cash payment for various needs, such as debt payment and operational expenses. 3. Step for journaling transaction. The process of journaling transaction involves several essential steps to ensure accurate recording. Transaction identification. Each financial transaction must be first identified to ensure that it is recorded accurately and complies with accounting principles. Determine effect account. After identifying the transaction, determine which accounts are affected, whether they involve asset, liabilities, or equity. Determine debit and credit. In line with the double entry principle, each transaction must have a debit and credit account. 4. Basic principle of journaling. Consistency. All transactions must be recorded according to the same standard and policy to ensure consistency and reliability in financial reporting. Double entry principle. Every transaction must be recorded in two balance sides, namely the debit and credit side, to maintain the counting equation asset equal to liabilities plus equity. Maturity principle. This principle states that only transactions significant in financial terms should be recorded in the journal to maintain efficient recording. Conservatism principle. When recording transaction, accounts should consider uncertainty, recording potential losses promptly while recognizing unrealized gains only when realized. 5. The bookkeeping cycle of journal entries in the accounting process. Journaling bookkeeping is an integral part of accounting cycle, which consists of several interconnected strategies. These include transaction recording. Each transaction is recorded in the journal in chronological order according to time across. Posting to the ledger. After journaling, the entries are transferred to ledger where each effect account receives a cumulative balance from all related transactions, preparing the trial balance. After posting, the final balance for each account in the ledger arranged in a trial balance to verify the balance between total debit. Adjusting entries. At the end of the period, some adjustment may be recorded to record unrecognized revenue or expense. Preparation of financial statement. Based on adjusted trial balance, financial statements are prepared, including the income statement, balance sheet, statement of change equity, and cash flow statement. Closing entries. After financial statements are prepared, closing entries are made to restate temporary account to zero at the beginning of the next period. Post-closing trial balance. Prepare to verify the balance of real accounts before moving into the new accounting period. Importance of the journal in accounting. Accuracy of record. The journal ensures that each transaction is recorded correctly, reducing the risks of error and providing accurate financial statement. Enhancing transparency. With regular journal entries, a company can provide transparent financial information, which is crucial for stakeholders in making decisions. Simplifying audits. Journal facilitates auditing as they provide a complete record of each transaction, making it easier to trace difference or discrepancy. Foundation for financial statement. The journal is primary source of information for preparing financial statement. So, accurate journal entries are essential for presenting the company financial position correctly.